The true decentralization is finally here. Welcome to GoldX. This is not just another token. It is the ultimate blueprint for limitless opportunity and structured wealth. We are building a new era of digital business, and you are looking at the ground floor. Our strategic global foundation is built upon 9 pillars. We are governed by a decentralized coalition strategically positioned across the world's most powerful Web3, regulatory, and financial hubs. From Singapore's regulatory anchor and Switzerland's wealth vaults to the Web3 capital of the United Arab Emirates and the institutional powerhouse of the United States. We span across Hong Kong, the United Kingdom, Australia, Germany, and Canada to bridge cutting-edge innovation with massive global economic power. Moving to the executive overview. GoldX is a deflationary asset built strictly for generational value. We have eliminated market hype to focus on true scarcity. With a strict 2-year direct buy ban, we are ensuring pure organic growth protected by permanent liquidity locks. Our vision and philosophy. We stand on 2 core pillars: the Growth Protocol for sustainable, resilient network architecture, and the Trust Protocol, powered by immutable smart contracts where truth is enforced entirely by code. GoldX provides 60+ wallet integration that make GoldX secure, seamless, and limitless. We connect instantly with over 60 leading Web3 wallets, including MetaMask, SafePal, and Token Pocket. It is 100% non-custodial. You hold the keys and you control your wealth. The GoldX Protocol. This is the engine of our digital economy. We are engineered to scale seamlessly from an exclusive earned economy into a global digital asset powerhouse. Every smart contract and network node is designed to reward true community builders while naturally driving scarcity. The Unbreakable Security Standard. GoldX is 100% secure, decentralized, and community-driven. All admin keys have been destroyed, and liquidity is permanently locked. Your assets remain entirely in your control, always. The Decentralization Challenge. We are so confident in our architecture that we are offering a massive security bounty. If any auditor can prove a single point of centralization in the GoldX smart contract, an immediate high-value reward of 111,111 will be issued. Token overview and tokenomics. Every single transaction strengthens our ecosystem. Let's break down the exact parameters in order. First, the token name is Gold. The total supply is strictly capped at 5,555,555 tokens. The liquidity pool is allocated 1,111,111 tokens. The payout contract holds 4,444,444 tokens. For extreme market protection, a strict direct buy ban is active for 2 years. The smart contract ownership is fully renounced. This guarantees 100% decentralized control over the ecosystem. Moving to our deflationary mechanisms. A 1% tax is permanently burned on every buy. A 1% tax is permanently burned on every sell. And finally, a mandatory 5% claim tax is applied and burned on every withdrawal. This structure ensures our supply is continuously decreasing, naturally driving long-term value. Security Strategy Framework. By design, we eliminate common DeFi structural risks to ensure your assets are always protected. Here are the 6 unbreakable rules embedded in our smart contract. Number 1. No centralized governance. Number 2. No mint capability. Number 3. No upgrade keys. Number 4. 100% decentralized. Number 5. 100% community-driven. And number 6. 100% secure. It is pure mathematical trust. The Growth Roadmap. Our evolution is highly strategic and rolls out across 3 main phases. In Phase 1, the foundational economy. Our milestones begin with creating the economy, followed by universal wallet integration, establishing the earned economy, and finally, the community launch. In Phase 2, ecosystem expansion. We focus on decentralized exchange development, implementing advanced staking protocols, building cross-chain bridges, and securing global partnerships. Finally, in Phase 3, we target metaverse integration, launching the Token Launchpad, securing Tier 1 centralized exchange listings, and rolling out community tokens. Business income structure. We offer multiple powerful avenues for network expansion. The Self-Profit Protocol provides a daily ROI. The core team referral awards a 5% instant commission. The level ROI income unlocks deep network commissions. The 60 days booster plan provides an accelerated ROI. The upline income delivers an upline ROI bonus. Rank advancement provides monthly payrolls. And the expansion reward funds deliver milestone reward points. The Self-Profit Protocol. Your active participation generates consistent rewards. The required investment is $100. The maximum limit is $5,000. Your daily profit will range from 0.80% to 1.20%. The base profit cap is set at 200%. Your overall income limit is 2x base and 1x, so total 3x. And your booster potential can accelerate your returns up to 3x to 7x. The 60 days booster plan. Accelerate your earnings by hitting strategic targets within your first 60 days. In Gold 1, achieving 3 core team members and $1,500 in core team business unlocks a 0.90% daily ROI with a 4x income capping. In Gold 2, achieving 5 core team members referrals and $5,000 in core team business unlocks a 1% daily ROI with a 5x income capping. In Gold 3, achieving 10 core team members and $10,000 in team business unlocks a top-tier 1.2% daily ROI with a 7x income capping. Core team referral. Earn instantly when you connect others. Every time you personally introduce a new active member to the GoldX ecosystem, you immediately receive a flat 5% direct commission on their initial commitment. Unlock deep network rewards that scale as your team grows. Let us look at the requirements across all 25 levels. For level 1, with a self-top-up of $100, you earn a 15% ROI. Level 2 requires a core team of 2, a $100 top-up, and yields 10%. Level 3 requires a core team of 3, a $200 top-up, and yields 7%. Level 4 requires a core team of 4, a $200 top-up, and yields 5%. Level 5 requires a team of 5, a $300 top-up, yielding 4%. Level 6 requires a team of 6, a $300 top-up, yielding 3%. Level 7 requires a team of 7, a $400 top-up, yielding 2%. Level 8 requires a team of 8, a $400 top-up, yielding 1%. Levels 9 through 10 require a core team of 10, a $500 top-up, yielding 2%. Levels 11 through 12 require a core team of 10, a $600 top-up, yielding 2%. Levels 13 through 14 require a core team of 10, a $700 top-up, yielding 2%. Levels 15 through 17 require a core team of 10, an $800 top-up, yielding 2%. Levels 18 through 21 require a core team of 15, a $900 top-up, yielding 3%. Finally, levels 22 through 25 require a core team of 15, a $1,000 top-up, rewarding you with 3%. And if you hit the 15 directs with $1,000 self-top-up, then you will unlock all the qualification. Upline income. Benefit directly from the momentum above you. To unlock this powerful 10% upline income, you must meet 4 strategic conditions. First, the time limit is 30 days. Second, you need 5 direct referrals. Third, you must maintain a $1,500 personal stake. And fourth, you need to generate $5,000 in total team business. Once these conditions are met, you will earn directly based on the success of the leaders positioned above you in the network. Rank advancement and monthly payroll. Climb the executive ranks to secure recurring stipends. All payroll and rank qualifications strictly follow our 40-30-30 volume distribution rule. Here is the breakdown. The star rank requires $1,200 from your first team and $900 from your second team and $900 from your rest team for a $100 monthly payroll. The bronze rank requires $4,800 from your first team and $3,600 from your second team and $3,600 from your rest team for a $250 monthly payroll. The silver rank requires $9,600 from your first team and $7,200 from your second team and $7,200 from your rest team for a $750 monthly payroll. The gold rank requires $40,000 from your first team and $30,000 from your second team and $30,000 from your rest team, yielding a $2,500 monthly payroll. The platinum rank requires $100,000 from your first team and $75,000 from your second team and $75,000 from your rest team for a $6,250 monthly payroll. The emerald rank requires $300,000 from your first team and $225,000 from your second team and $225,000 from your rest team for an $18,750 monthly payroll. The diamond rank requires $800,000 from your first team and $600,000 from your second team and $600,000 from your rest team, securing a $50,000 monthly payroll. The blue diamond rank requires $2 million from your first team and $1.5 million from your second team and $1.5 million from your rest team for a $150,000 monthly payroll. The black diamond rank requires $6 million from your first team and $4.5 million from your second team and $4.5 million from your rest team for a $450,000 monthly payroll. Finally, the Crown Ambassador rank requires $20 million from your first team and $15 million from your second team and $15 million from your rest team, rewarding you with a massive $1 million monthly payroll. Core System Protocol. This is our operational framework. A 1% automatic token burn executes on every buy and sell. A permanent 5% deduction applies to all withdrawals and is instantly burned. Direct token buying is restricted for 2 years. All expansion rewards and salaries mandate the 40-30-30 volume distribution rule. To claim rewards continuously, users must achieve at least a 20% business volume growth across their second team and rest team combined. And finally, the minimum claim is $5. Now we move into expansion rewards. As your team pushes massive volume, you unlock life-changing one-time capital bonuses. Remember, every single goal level requires the 40-30-30 leg balancing protocol. For Genesis Gold, you have to achieve $2,400 from the strong leg, $1,800 from the second, and $1,800 from the others. You earn a $300 reward. Next, Architect Gold, you have to achieve $6,600 strong, $4,950 second, and $4,950 others. Earns a $500 reward. Next, Executive Gold, you have to achieve $60,000 strong, $45,000 second, and $45,000 others. Earns a $5,000 reward. Next, Velocity Gold, you have to achieve $360,000 strong, $270,000 second, and $270,000 others. Earns a $25,000 reward. Next, Estate Gold, you have to achieve $1.2 million strong, $900,000 second, and $900,000 others. Earns a $75,000 reward. Next, Prestige Gold, you have to achieve $6 million strong, $4.5 million second, and $4.5 million others. earns a $250,000 reward. Next Oasis Gold, you have to achieve $18 million strong, $13.5 million second, and $13.5 million others. Earns a $1 million reward. Next Nautical Gold, you have to achieve $60 million strong, $45 million second, and $45 million others. Earns a $2.5 million reward. And finally, Sovereign Gold. You have to achieve $180 million strong, $135 million second, and $135 million others. Unlocks a massive $5 million one-time reward. Now let us look at the powerful GoldX mechanism in action. When a user wants to participate in GoldX, their USDT goes directly into the payout wallet. From that payout wallet, the USDT goes through a swapping process where it is converted into the gold coin. At the exact moment you swap the USDT for the coin, an automated 1% buy burn is applied. Now those gold coins are held securely in the payout wallet. Whenever you request a withdrawal, those coins move from the payout wallet directly into your hands. But while that coin transfers from the system to you, an automated 5% withdrawal burn is strictly enforced. Finally, once the user holds the gold coin, they can take it back to the swap to convert it into USDT. During this selling process, an automated 1% sell burn is implemented, and the final USDT is delivered straight to the user. This continuous cycle guarantees absolute scarcity at every single step. Thank you for your time and vision. You are looking at the future of structured wealth. Join the GoldX community today and let's build generational value together.